باسم
in the name
الله
of Allah,
الرحمن
the most gracious,
الرحيم.
the most merciful.
تبت
Perish
يدا
the hands
أبي لهب
of Abu Lahab,
وتب
and perish he.
ما
Not
أغنى
will avail
عنه
him
ماله
his wealth,
وما
and what
كسب.
he earned.
سيصلى
He will be burned
نارا
in a fire
ذات لهب
of blazing flames,
وامرأته
and his wife
حمالة
the carrier
الحطب
of firewood.
في
In
جيدها
her neck
حبل
will be a rope
من
of
مسد.
palm fiber.